right, now we'll go VDM. This is an honest and a respectful question to our Father in the Lord, Reverend Fr Mbaka. This is an honest and a respectful question. Can the mother say why he ejo Fr Mbaka ajuju? This is an honest and a respectful question. And I'm going to do this question with utmost humility. But before enjoy that question, listen to this.
Mathias. Go for the other right. Mathias. Go for the other right.
Last time.
Mathias. Go for the other right.
Kaigali mebiosioma. Okonya batal mmadụ dịka Mathias. Okowu ifu ụfọdụ ọ na-akọ. Ogo ụfọdụ other right. Now, the respectful question and the honest one, nchọrọ our most lovely father, wo kelu ụfọdụ ife Mathias na-ekwu na-eme ọkọla other right. Kelu ndị the wrong. Ezugo na-ekwu okwu sometimes. Una doesn't na-ekwu Adam ekwu okwu just show okwu. Sometimes odoka ma interpret if you know. How else can it be possible if not by the direction of more? And when I was making a live broadcast last night, I said, and I quote, that no part of message or part of Ife Fr Mbaka Kulu 2 days ago info no patronize Mathias. It's a way of recruiting him. Can you the that now able to busy now work hard. Nanda wadu ho on a medanya kanko. Nande na lolo on a kungo kanko. He now stress then he said, na no believe then no follow that everything is not all about prayer. No believe in prayer and the physical. No follow then no follow require physical approach and non to nyamasi ebife na chineke wumbo sorie ko ejiwe zamade pele and non bo sorie ko ejiwe me miracle and whether no me miracle or no me miracle that he is still a miracle working God. Who owns that message? Who carries that message of physicality and the reality? If not Mathias. Now, here again, you hear him saying, recommending the same Mathias again, who has called him all sorts of names. So now, what are those things on the Mathias call for? For the sake of Evangelist Ebukobi, some of you will have a handshake and warm embrace with the devil just because, in fact, the whole center can hold for you people just because you want to fight one man, Evangelist Ebukobi. Because you want to fight one man. You are now recommending a man who has sworn that even you, as a reverend father, are supposed to exist. That you are not supposed to be existing. A man who said that everything he may make na adoration wa abrakatabra. A man who pogonu onyohi. A man who pogonu all manner of men. A man Evangelist Ebukobi addressed, issued a direct message to, because of how he was scandalizing your name in the past. What exactly out of all those things Mathias Ezeaku was you kenke wase? Before we even talk about before the Kumakandozo. So when you were recommending Mathias, do you exactly understand what Mathias' message is aimed at? Because before you support somebody, you will first of all like or want to know what is the end product that person should inweta na that mission on aga. or can with the intention of Onya Ojuwena undergo that mission. And if the intention of that person is to bring an end to Ife or to bring an end to you, or to bring you to an end, or to now if the intention Onya is to fold you up, which part of the message Ojiabia to achieve that should we in fact, which part of Ifo should we give ear to? Because definitely whatever we listen or hear from him is still end at folding whatever thing he up. His own message is directed at shutting the church down, and that short what the shut down, adoration can no longer hold. Title of Reverend Father, you will no longer bear that. Nobody will believe you again. People will not respect you again. There will be not. Yeah, it's more like the intentions of his message is to rip you off of every single thing to the society today. So which part of his message was Yoku? Indeed, I said, because of the hate, because of hate and hatred, cow my own. Happened to those also cow my own. The cockroach voted for insecticide. Because of hate, bitterness, vindictiveness, the cockroach voted for insecticide. Because of the hate for a mosquito. I repeat, because of the hate cockroach went for mosquito, he voted for insecticide without knowing that now the same insecticide, both mosquito and the cockroach, that is the saying we're going to play out here. Tell me part of Messiah's message that is real. Is it the fact that Jesus Christ is fake? Is it the fact that God don't exist? Is it the fact that there is no miracle? Is it the fact that church is a scam? Is it the fact that no Urunohi? Is it the fact no Seni fake? Is it the fact no Seni arrange? Is it the fact that no Seni the mother of all arrange? No Bukuziri one baby virgin arrange? Is it the fact that last time no Kuluna and no cookie one baby virgin? Is it the fact that no one were baptized Elijah? So which part of message is here with you? I want to understand. Is it the fact that church should go, that we should go back to the root? Which part of his message exactly? If not that for the said Apollo the mosquito here, that the cockroach has indirectly endorsed insecticide, which in the other way around will also help to get rid of Nyama with the cockroach without him knowing. Let us slow it down. Let us slow down. Let us slow down. So it is an honest and a very respectful question. Abamun, in a bid to dim the light, you will that's you know you. May return back to you. Because I don't understand the part of message. Must Matthias come into whatever message in a what is the whole aim and the sense of squeezing in Matthias into that message? To recruit him the same way the bishop was smuggled into what happened in Enugu. To prove what point? The same way you indirectly you turn yourself into campaign manager, Governor Peter Mba, for the sake of Ebuka Obi, evangelist, a lay brother. You turned yourself to campaign manager, Governor Mba. You suddenly became a bishop advocate. You have now turned yourself to sympathizer of Matthias. All because of one man, just to make sure that you recruit all corners against one man. I'm still waiting for the answer to this question. Which part of message Matthias was Yoku? Which part was it? Which part Kaya Equata? Which part Kaya Equata? And what of the intention of this message? Because whichever part of this message I believe, it is still aimed at actualizing that intention at the end. because that is the end product. The end product of whatever we believe in the message here is aimed at making sure that every single thing you represent today ceases to exist. Share this video. Let us use sense and not emotion, including everybody, both in the watcher. In your word, you said, let us preserve. What are we preserving? Being on a mission of Anama Kurinkuri. So many things in the if nation on Maduneku. Moneku, when you know Malay for the Chuku career, Maduniche. Hameku because of Namacho Giku, Anameku because Namodo directed na my spirit, with that conviction in my spirit to come and speak. And when I speak, if you don't want to learn something, no matter hatred, because I'm very far away from the reach of you, Motorhouse. So stop thinking about E4G in MM. E4G on a plan against me, she got back to you in 100 folds. Only because there's you want to even say now your position yeah, if that I am actually speaking for you. Now, what evangelist because be my message? Will fire as a man of God, as a bishop, as a clergyman, evangelist because the Reverend Mathias or any other priest when he came that fight. You will see that my message fit perfectly in any of such unwarranted immigri when he came dialogue. So if we taro na ifa nneku na na advocate ri ngonwa wo kochukwu ngonwa wo father ngonwa wo pastor today, tomorrow you will still take yourself and fit in the position of evangelist Ebukobi in this picture, and the message will make sense to you even as a Christian. Share this video.